Hello, this is Yelin, and I will explain the homework 3, problem 1. Homework 3, problem 1, the first question is find A so that the probability x equals to k represents a probability mass function. If it's a probability mass function, the sum of the series must equals to 1. So we write this equation like in this form. And in order to derive this form, we need to use the geometric series to help us. And when x is the absolute value of x less than 1 and k tends to infinity, we could use this formula to calculate its sum. So we differentiate this equation on both sides. So we got the formula. So we got the form that we want to get, and the sum of this series equals to 1 over 1 minus x squared when the absolute value of x less than 1. And we just let x equals to 1 over 3 and plus and multiply a and make that part equals to 1. So finally we got a equals to 4 over 9. And the second question is we need to find the mean value of x is e of x, and we need to calculate the sum of this series from k equals to 1 to infinity. And in order to get this series, we use the equation we calculate above. We use this equation and multiply x on both sides. Then we differentiate on both sides. Finally, we got the form we want to get, and it's equals to 1 plus x over 1 minus x cubed when the absolute value of x less than 1. And we let x equals to 1 over 3. Finally we get 2 is the result. The third question is we need to find the second moment of p. So of x is the e of x squared, and we need to compute this equation and get the sum of this series. Since we know that this series, the sum of this series equals to 1 plus x over 1 minus x cubed when the absolute value of x less than 1 and k tends to infinity. And then we multiply x on both sides, and we got this equation and differentiates this equation on both sides. We got the form we want, and to calculate this the sum of this series, we got this equation, and again we let x equals to 1 over 3. Finally, we got the result is 5.5. For the last question, we need to find the conditional probability mass function of p of x equals to k given x greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 10. So in order to get this, we use the conditional function. We need the conditional probability formula, and we write it like this. The denominator part is just this, and we know that it's just p of x equals to k when k's range is 1 to 10, and the denominator part is the sum of the probability from 1 to 10. So finally, we divide this two parts, and we got 0.44 multiply k times 1 minus 1 over 3 raised to power k minus 1 raised to k minus 1 power when k's range is 1 to 10. Thank you. That's the question.